Friends, welcome again. Today we're going to discuss interfacing a GSM module to a fire alarm system. Global System Mobile is a small electronic device that lets circuit or system to communicate over phone network using a regular SIM card. It can make calls or receive messages. So this is the antenna for the GSM for the network purposes. So this is the antenna which is connected to the GSM where you see antenna. So we are interfacing this GSM with an EST3 fire alarm panel. So the GSM uses 24 voltage DC. So we have a card which provides auxiliary power, which is a range of 24 volt. Then this 24 voltage, we are going to feed it to the GSM because that is the required voltage for GSM to work. So you can see that wire, this small wire white, which is coming to GSM. You can see the least voltage is 9 volt and the highest voltage for the GSM is 36 volt. You can see there's a relay output to control other circuits, and you can also add a siren so that in case of alarm it can also trigger an alarm itself. So you can also see the digital input. So this GSM is receiving input from the CPU itself. You can see it's written alarm. So meaning in case of alarm, it activate. You see this white wire, it is connected to the input side of the GSM. So when there is an alarm, the signal will come from the CPU and it will trigger the GSM. So you can see on this side we have network and we have an LED indicating alarm. Okay, so that's the status that the GSM is on, and if the relay is active, you can see it from there. So this is how it works. In a GSM, there is a SIM card has been inserted in the GSM. Then the numbers which will be receiving SMSs from the GSM are also being added through programming. So once there is an alarm active, the panel will set the signal to the GSM, and from there you will see the alarm LED turning on. It will be red so that it send information. By then it will send information to the mobile phone. You will get a notification immediately when the alarm is active. So let's do a test. You can see I've activated the alarm is on. Okay, now see what I was pointing the LED. So on my mobile phone also I get a notification immediately when the alarm was on. The GSM can be interfaced in security system alarms, whereby fire alarm, like in this case we are discussing, or intruder systems, whereby it sends a notification if there is an alarm or there is someone who wants to break in. Then it can be used in automation. It sends data from the remote sensors. When the sensor indicates temperature, anything, then a remote control, you can control to switch on the device and switch off the device, so it can send you an SMS when the device has gone off, or when the electricity is not there. So you'll be receiving SMSs. So that's the least we want to discuss today. Thank you.